Hello friends, welcome to the Wi-Fi learning resource.
Koha, free and open source integrated library management software ILMS for libraries. In this video we will learn about Koha, step-by-step installation overview and types of reports in Koha, SQL query to generate reports, so stay tuned till the end to see Koha in action. Koha is the world's first open-source integrated library management system ILMS. It is a web-based software designed to automate library operations such as cataloging, circulation, acquisition, serial control, and patron management. The word Koha comes from the Amori language, meaning gift or donation, and it's developed in 1999 by Katipo Communications Ltd, in partnership with the Horohinua Library Trust, New Zealand. The name reflects the spirit of open-source collaboration, offering a free and community-supported solution for libraries worldwide. Koha has since evolved into a globally recognized library automation system, supported and enhanced by an active community of librarians, developers, and institutions. Installation process on Linux-based systems. Debian or Ubuntu. Koha is best supported on Debian or Ubuntu distributions. Below is a simplified step-by-step installation process. Step-by-step installation. Ubuntu 20.0. For else to update the system, use the sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade. To add Koha repository, use this echo deb http://debian.koha-community.org/koha stable main sudo t etc. apt sources list d koha list widget qo https://debian.koha-community.org/koha/gpg.sc sudo apt key add sudo apt to update install Koha. Use the sudo apt install koha-common. To configure Apache and enable Koha site, use this skull command that a sudo a2 nmod rewrite sudo a2 nmod cgi sudo systemctl restart Apache 2. To create a Koha instance, use this skull command that a sudo koha-create create db libraryname set password for the MySQL Koha User sudo koha-passwd libraryname.to enable and start Koha. Use this skull command that a sudo systemctl enable koha-common sudo systemctl. To start koha-common, access Koha Web Interface for staff interface, HTTP, your server IP, 8080 for OPAC interface, HTTP, your server IP, 80 Koha comes with a powerful report generation module that allows users to write and run SQL queries to retrieve custom data for analysis and reporting. Types of reports in Koha: circulation reports, number of issues or returns per day or week or month; acquisition reports, vendor-wise purchases; budgeting, cataloging reports, books by subject, language or classification; patron reports, membership status, inactive users, overdue and fine reports. Example: SQL queries in Koha reports, list of all issued books with due dates. Use this SQL command that is select b title, I item number, L borrower number, L date due from issues, L join items, I on L item number equals I item number, join biblio b on I biblia number equals b biblia number. Books not issued in the last 6 months. Use this skull command that is select title from biblio where biblia number not in, select biblia number from issues where date due equals date subcurdate interval 6 month. List of patrons with fines. Use this skull command that is select borrowers, card number, borrowers, surname, account lines, amount outstanding from account lines, join borrowers on account lines, borrower number equals borrowers, borrower number where account lines, amount outstanding 0. Number of books per subject. Use this skull command that is select subject, count as total from biblio subject group by subject. Key benefits of Koha: 100% free and open-source web-based interface, supports Mark 21 and Z3 9.50 multilingual interface, highly customizable, community supported. Who uses Koha? Public libraries, school and college libraries, university libraries, special libraries, government and corporate institutions. Koha is used in over 100 countries, including India, the USA, the UK, and African nations, making it one of the most widely adopted library automation systems in the world. Please see below description box for installation and report skull commands. Subscribe and share for more LIS tech videos.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more such videos.